Thank you for taking the time to view our presentation. This presentation is of our labs and a few of our classrooms at STCC Mechanical Engineering Technology Department. In 2011, a momentum was started to make STCC a pivotal learning center. With state grants from former Governor Deval Patrick and with the leadership of former STC President Ira Rubenstahl, STCC has become the premier training and learning center for manufacturing in Western Massachusetts. This is the entrance to our main manufacturing lab. Our 3,200 square feet allow us to have 16 Haas CNC machines, 1 Bridgeport, and 2 wood routers. Here we show some of our 3-axis mills. They're on the left, and our 2-axis lathes are on the right. Please note that all of our machines have a desktop PC attached to them. This allows the student access to our MET media library of online learning material. Additionally, the students can alter their CAM software and export the code immediately to the machine for up-to-date modifications. We have 4 2-axis lathes. We have 7 3-axis mills. 3 of our mills have an additional 4-axis rotary attachment. 1 of our mills is dedicated to 5-axis milling. We have 3 3-axis lathes. These lathes are also equipped with a function called live tooling. They can perform as a lathe and as a mill. 1 of our 3-axis lathes is equipped with a bar feeder. With the bar feeder attachment, we can simulate full production mode. We have several Haas controller simulators. These simulators mimic a real machine, eliminating the possibility of a program error-caused crash. This is our 3D printing lab. After designing a part and prior to manufacturing, our students can print out their parts to test for form and fit. What kind of precision are we talking about? Our CNC machines can move to 1/10,000th of an inch. This is 0.0001. With a human hair being about 4,000ths of an inch in diameter, we theoretically can split a hair 40 times. To measure that kind of precision, our students learn about metrology. Here a student will learn about measurement, blueprint reading, and quality control. The student inspects the parts and evaluates those to see if they are equal to the blueprints and to the tolerances specified. Students will also learn to operate coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs. These machines can automate part inspection and can record greater tolerances. Thank you for viewing our tour. For additional information, please visit us